Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to get paid here in YouTube. So this is in connection with my previous video about Google Adsense, like how you can change your threshold account. Question that I get a lot of times here is about payments. Your video is already earning this month, this week, in certain days, and then you wonder when is the exact day to get paid. You need to be a YouTube partner. So in order to be a YouTube partner, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's a requirement. Once you get that, you get verified, you get your PIN, you get your minimum threshold of $10. That's what the money comes in to your Google AdSense. The period of time that you will count your revenue is from the start of the month. Let's say today is, this month is July. So you would count July 1st until July 31st. On the 31st, don't expect that you're gonna get paid on that day. No, there is a delay here on YouTube. You will see your revenue daily in YouTube Studio, but there is a 1 day delay, of course, because of time difference. When are you going to see your revenue? Let's talk about Google AdSense. It's going to be on the 11th. Now I am seeing my revenue coming in on the 6th, which is very early on in my channel. When exactly are you going to see your revenue in your bank account or your mode of payment? Okay, so with mine, I'm using bank account. Mine does show on in between the 21st to the 25th of each month. It depends on when the day falls, if it's a weekend, so it should be business days. So I think that's very clear now. How about your threshold? Okay, so there is a requirement $100 in order for Google AdSense to pay you or to transfer money from your AdSense to your bank. Let's just have a scenario like last month you have a revenue of $54, so it's under $100. Will the money be gone? Will YouTube just take it and will not give it to you since it's under $100? No, it will retain, okay? Instead, it will just stay on your Google AdSense account. You can see that on your account, but the transfer will not going to happen to your bank account. It will just remain there. Okay, Google AdSense will just hold your money. Okay, again, it's just holding your money there. Okay, for example, this month, okay, so you already have $54 from June, and let's say, oh, ate, I already gained like $54 just this. Okay, like today, what's today, 11th? I already gained $50, so now I have already $104, so I'm gonna get paid this 25th, right? Because it's the payment for the month of July. No, you're not. Again, the period of revenue is from the first of the month until the end of the month. So that would be July 1st to July 31st. And we are still on the 11th of July. So payment is not going to happen. Okay, you have to wait for, again, 1 month or less than a month. Oh, let's say if you change your threshold amount. If you ever try to change your amount and you already have gained $100 to that specific month, it's automatic that you are going to get paid. It will transfer right away once you change your amount. So if you are holding your money, let's say for a number of months, whatever is the minimum threshold that you will get. Okay, so regardless of the amount, it should not be lower than $100. So whatever is, if it's above $100, you will get paid instantly. Okay, you will get notified through an email and you are going to see your money instantly. Okay, but for countries, of course, there's a matter of transfer days or like processing days, so it's not instant. But if you are a US resident, it's gonna be instant. You can see it right away in your bank accounts. All right, I think that's about the most questions I got from my previous Google AdSense threshold video. And if there are more that you can add to that video, or okay or maybe if you have more like scenarios that you want me to answer, just comment down below, let me know. I will try and see if I can like answer that. I will try my best. Okay, so comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and I hope to see you in my next one. And if you are new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.